Our beautiful cabbage pizza, our breakfast pizza is ready. Hello everyone, welcome to Onyibeke's kitchen once again. I hope you are all doing okay. So on today's video, we are going to be making a very special breakfast egg cabbage recipe, what I called breakfast pizza. It is very nutritious and full of flavor. It's something that you and your family will like to try. It's very simple to make. So these are the ingredients. Here we have our cabbage and then some seasoning. I have green onions and some diced fresh rosemary. I have our pepperoni sausage, and I have mozzarella cheese. So these are the simple ingredients we are going to be using for this special egg cabbage recipe. I got my inspiration from Super Recipes. Thank you so much for that wonderful recipe. So right now it is time to cook. So we're going to slice the cabbage. After slicing, we are going to wilt it with hot water. So this is our sliced cabbage. I'm going to pour some hot water. It's not boiled, but it's very hot, to wilt it. Then we will allow it to drain. The cabbage is draining. We are going to get the egg ready. So I'm going to season the egg with some bouillon, then salt, then I'll whisk it. I'm going to add the chopped green onions and the fresh rosemary. And mix everything together. Our egg is ready. So I have some melted butter. I'm going to add the wilted cabbages. So I'm going to season it lightly, bouillon and salt. leveling it like this. Then we add our egg. Pat it. Spread it everywhere. Smells good. It's very easy to make and it's nutritious. Time to add our cheese, grated cheese. Then we are going to cover it up to cook for 10 minutes. Look at it after 10 minutes. So what we are going to do right now is to flip it over. We are going to, so look at our cabbage pizza. I've already flipped it. So I'm going to spread the tomato sauce. This is my homemade stew. Okay, you can use tomato sauce, but I decided to use the stew. It's just tomato. Spread it around the way you do your pizza. Spread it. Then you spread the cheese. Spread your cheese. Mozallera cheese. Then it's time for our sausages. Sausages, place it, place it, place it, place it, place it. Can you see our sausages? Time for more cheese. So we're gonna let it cook until it's all melted. Okay? So I'm going to cover it up again and let it cook until the cheese is melted. Our beautiful cabbage pizza, our breakfast pizza, is ready. Right now I am going to slice through it. We are coming to the end of our video. Please subscribe, share this video, comment, and may God bless you. Bye.